Let's turn that raw idea in your head into a live app using just AI. Ready? Let's go. So you've got a killer app idea, but literally zero coding skills to actually build it. Well, what if I told you that you don't need expensive developers or designers anymore? Seriously. Today, we're breaking down a brilliant PDF blueprint from RestartWithRT. It's a 6-step guide to building with AI. Step 1, meet ChatGPT, your new sounding board. Use it to instantly clarify your core concept. Just chat with it, view your idea from different angles, and uncover those hidden, tricky questions. Step 2, Perplexity is now your head of research. Time to validate if your problem actually exists. It scours the web, giving you cited deep dives on market size and who your competition is. Step 3, dump that fresh research into NotebookLM. Boom, you've got a dynamic, personalized knowledge base. Ask it questions to connect the dots across all those sources and instantly generate handy study guides. So far, this wild AI stack has helped us ideate, research, and perfectly synthesize complex info. Step 4 is totally crucial. Most AI just blindly agrees with you, but you need critical pushback. So ask Claude to counter-argue your idea, literally force it to answer what could possibly go wrong. Step 5, let's make this thing look real. Stitch now steps in as your lead UX designer. You can whip up beautiful UI flows super fast to validate your concept visually. No design skills needed. Step 6, time to actually code. Claude comes back, but this time as your lead full-stack developer. Even if you can't code, Claude generates production-ready features, builds the entire backend, and debugs it all. Crazy, right? You just went from a raw idea to a working prototype using only targeted prompts. But hey, a coded platform isn't enough. The real game now is gaining massive user distribution. You gotta relentlessly focus on getting users, testing out different channels, and scaling what actually works. The final piece of advice from this guide? It's simple. Stop overthinking everything and just iterate fast. The tech barrier is completely gone. So what are you gonna start building today?